There's a new ordinance just passed by the Yorkville City Council. We first told you about it yesterday. It's now causing some backlash.
The west suburb would fine or jail homeless people for sleeping or camping in public spaces. The council believes this could help address concerns of public safety and public health. Here's NBC5's Vi Nguyen.
And this was put through really sneaky. They added it to the agenda. There was no public discussion. It was passed in 2 minutes.
Alicia Castillo is leading the charge in Yorkville. She's now setting up camp outside City Hall to protest the new public camping ordinance.
I was just flabbergasted. I was shocked. And you know, I've been an advocate for displaced people for the last 10 years or more. And I never thought that I would have to advocate for displaced people in my own hometown.
According to the city, under the ordinance, people would not be allowed to sleep or camp in public, such as parks, benches, alleys, sidewalks, and even in parked vehicles overnight. City Council and the ordinance citing concerns of public health and safety that public camping creates. Only one alderman spoke Tuesday before the vote.
This was brought on because some of phone calls and emails I received. One of the individuals had a property destroyed.
The city says anyone who violates this ordinance will be fined $75 for the first violation, $150 for the second, $350 for the third. You can see it goes all the way up to $750, or they could even face possible jail time at the sixth violation.
I mean, effectively, the way the law works, it couldn't possibly work that they could just be arrested for being homeless. But if they are fined and they fail to pay those fines, and then they go to court, and then they're court ordered to be removed from the premises, and then they return to the premises, that's when they can be incarcerated.
When asked about enforcement, the Yorkville Police Deputy Chief told NBC5 off camera they're still evaluating the ordinance and that enforcement efforts will be to get people help, not to punish them. This military vet who now lives in Sandwich says he was once homeless living under this bridge downtown.
Every time we shun these people, we're only making it harder for them to come up, harder for other people to help them.
Others signed this petition to repeal the ordinance and calling for more services and support. The mayor and the 6 aldermen who voted in favor of passing the ordinance did not respond to our calls and emails for comment. If the mayor was standing here, what would you say?
I would say this needs to be repealed, and we're not leaving until it is.
In Yorkville, Vi Nguyen, NBC5 News.